Franklin D. Roosevelt wrote, "A nation that destroys its soil destroys itself." The forests are the lungs of our nation, purifying the air, giving fresh strength to our people. Hello everyone, I am Sharon Roberts, and I am here to help you take the steps towards saving our tropical forests. Now you may ask, why is it important that we save our tropical forests? How is it important to me? Why should we protect the trees and all the species that lives there? Of course, because as you can see on the screen, it is located in different continents of the world. Now, as an ecologist, I would like to show you what is happening to our forests now, what businesses and conservationists are doing to help, how are we benefiting from saving our tropical forests, and steps we can take to protect it. Do you know our earth was once covered by 14% of forests, and now we're down to 6%. Our forest is being disappearing by the seconds. And the more trees that are being cut down, the more carbon dioxide is in the air, making it unclean for us to breathe. Now first, let me show you what is happening in our forest. Our forest is being cut down and burned and cleared. It's being cleared for its wood and lumber, mining for minerals and gold. It is being cleared for agriculture purposes, farming and cattle rearing. So a lot of things are contributing towards the deforestation of our forest. So how are businesses and conservationists helping? As you can see, they are promoting ecotourism, manufacturing greener products. They're giving carbon credits and sponsor lands to protect it. That is one of the major things they're doing right now. Conservationist businesses are sponsoring the land so they can help keep the forest. And as you can see, there are a few more suggestions, a few more things that help businesses are helping. So, next what I'm going to show you, how do we benefit from the tropical forest? The forest, the trees produce oxygen. Oxygen for us to breathe, oxygen that keeps us alive. So if we're taking out the trees, where will we get oxygen? How can the human race survive without the trees now? The trees breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. And if there are less trees, that means there are more and more carbon dioxide in the air, which is not good for us. And the trees, it affects climate change globally. So what the trees does, it reflects less heat going into the air, and it keeps the earth cooler and keeps the temperature regular and helps to control what's happening in our climate. Important to the global ecosystem means that there are over 30 millions of species of trees and plants that live in our tropical forests. More than half of it is not known to scientists or humans or people, and haven't yet been discovered. So, how do we take the steps to save our tropical forests? First of all, plant some trees. Help the environment. Support companies that are producing and manufacturing greener products. Educate your children, and so that they can help to save our forests. Educate them why it's important for us, for them to save the trees. Show them how oxygen is important for the survival of the human race. Compost. Composting, recycle, carpooling, these are all things that you can do to help save our trees. So once again, you've seen how our forest is disappearing. Through deforestation, through burning, through cutting down, through cattle rearing. You've seen what environmentalists and businesses are doing and conservationists are doing to help save our forests, and how important it is for us to plant these trees, how we're benefiting by gaining oxygen from the trees, and steps we can take. Plant some trees, go green, support manufacturers that are manufacturing greener products. Educate your children so they can save their children and save the human race. And remember, the earth does not belong to us, but we belong to the earth. Thank you.